Going everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'll be showing you a brand new anime realm unit tier list with the latest update of anime realm. So to get started, go ahead and open anime realms on your Roblox. So as you can see in here, as a new user, I'll need to select from this current units available. So I have three options in here, so I'll just go ahead and select which one I prefer and click on the select button, and based on that, I was able to get Goku. I'll also need to go ahead and claim the daily rewards on Anime Realm before I continue on explaining the new units on Anime Realm. So to be able to check the units and Anime Realm and the new units, you'll just need to go ahead and hit on the K button or the units button at the left side of your screen. On this list, you'll be able to find the new units on Anime Realms. First would be the C unit. Under it, you'll find Gohan, Kid Naruto, Krillin, Luffy, Piccolo, Sanji, and Vegetables. On Unit B, you'll be able to find Frieza, Genos, Golden Frieza, Goku, Gon, Kid, Sasuke, Killua, and others. On the A unit, you'll be able to find Goji, Greyboard, Ichigo, Jiro, Lao, Trunks, and others. And at the top of the tier list is the S list. So in here, you'll be able to find all of the most sought character on anime realms that can be rarely found on the platform. And that's basically the updated anime realms unit tier list. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.